What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with a new video for you. Now, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for all Galaxy Tab S8 tablets. These tips are pretty cool. Hopefully they'll work out for you and pretty much make the owning this tablet a way more enjoyable experience. First off, let's say you got yourself a new screen protector for your tablet, but you may notice the sensitivity, touch sensitivity isn't quite there. Well, there's a way to remedy that. What you need to do is go into your settings. Then you got to find your display. Scroll to your right side, go down a little bit where you will find touch sensitivity. You want to tick on that panel to turn on the sensitivity, to raise the sensitivity, so it'll pretty much react to your touch the same way it did without a screen protector. So that's the first tip. Fix your touch sensitivity on your tablet. Next tip is to set up smart lock. Now, this is one of the things I like to do, where smart locks keep your tablet open while you're at home, or maybe have your favorite pair of headphones attached to it. I'm going to show you how to set that up really quick. So you look for lock screen. Click on lock screen. Then what you want to do is you'll see smart lock will be your second choice from the top. You will click on that, put in your password, and then you'll have three choices in front of you. You'll have trusted devices, trusted places, and on-body detection. Do not use on-body detection because the tablet cannot tell if you're holding the tablet or a stranger, and therefore rendering your tablet wide open for someone to take advantage of your personal and private information. I pretty much use trusted places, where I will set it up for my house, and trusted devices, where I will set it up with my favorite pair of earbuds, where the tablet will stay open and pretty much make it easier to access, and not having to use the fingerprint sensor or the Face ID every time the tablet goes to sleep. Tip number 3, you want to turn on your notifications for your icons only. Now, sometimes you get messages that come across your lock screen, and sometimes if you have the wrong setup, it can reveal a lot of information for those who, might be peeping over at your tablet. You don't want your lock screen, your notifications that's coming across your lock screen, to reveal too much information. I much rather have an icon show so I would know which app is providing me this notification. What you do is you go into your lock screen, you go down on the panel to notifications. I have mine already set for icon only. You click on it. As you can see, you have two choices: the icon for which the notification is coming from, or a detail reveal screen, where it may show you a line or two of your actual notification, but having the icon one works out just fine. Now, one of my favorite apps on here is Good Lock. That's a cool little app where you can download different modules that will allow you to customize your tablet. As you can see down below, I have my navigation bar customized with the Navstar app. Now, as you can see, there's a list of various navigation icons. You can pretty much just click on one, changes right at the bottom without no type of reboot or anything. This is real old school. I remember this being a major perk to do when I used to root my phones, and now Good Lock brings a lot of those root type applications to your tablet without you having to go through the process of rooting your device. So if you want to kind of see all the different modules they have here, I suggest that you download Good Lock and try out a few of them and see which ones you like. Now, next up is the side key. Now, out the box, it is not set to power off, and what it is set for Bixby if you press it. But we can go in and change that where just holding this down will power off the tablet. So first off, what you need to do is go into your settings, look for advanced features, find that. Then you want to look for side key, which is down in the middle of the page. You click on that. I set up a double press for a quick camera launch, but you can also use a double press to set up your favorite app. And I have a press and hold set up to power off my tablet. Now, number 6 on my tip is to set up your home screen layout. Now, what you can do is go into your settings, look for home screen. You can go in, and this is where you can customize the launcher. You can set up your grid. Right now I have mine set up 6x5, but you can go to 8x5 and 10x5. Also in the app drawer, you can change that up to a 6x5, 8x5, and 10x5. Now, you may have a problem with your apps having too much access to things like your cameras or your phone book, unnecessary things. There's a lot of apps that really don't need that type of accessibility to your tablet. So what you can do is go into your settings, look for privacy, and inside of here you can go to permission manager. Go inside there and you can roll through here and see how, like for example, I have 9 apps out of 78 that has access to my cameras. I have 14 apps that has out of 68 that has access to my microphone. I can go in here and tailor which app that I want to have access to any of these type of items, calendar, call logs, cameras, what have you. For example, Telegram, I can say don't have no access to my call logs. So right now, as of now, Telegram has no access to my call logs. So this is a good way to go in and protect your privacy and see which apps is having too much control over your tablet. Next tip is Diagnostics. Now you can go into the settings again, battery and device care. At the very bottom you will have a panel that says Diagnostics. Tick on that, and what you can do right now is kind of set wrong in a weird way, but let's say you're having trouble with your battery or you're having trouble with your speaker. You can go around here and pick certain things and have the actual tablet run a diagnostics on that particular function to see if there's any kind of problems. And it will let you know off the top that there may be some kind of problem with, for example, your speaker or your fingerprint recognition. It'll let you know if you're having some kind of problems with a certain aspect of your tablet. So Diagnostics is a real cool little feature just to test your tablet to make sure it is running on the up and up. The next thing I will suggest that you set up is Find My Mobile. Now you can find this in the biometrics and security section. What you want to do is go in and make sure you tick that where you can find your tablet. Now this will ping your location if your tablet is near Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and you will be able to locate your tablet if you lost it. But having also this on allows you to cut off your tablet remotely, and if you got some type of fingerprint or facial recognition set up, securing your tablet and locking the person out. Next up is number 10 is accounts. Go to your settings, go to accounts and backups. Now this right here where you can set up backing up your account. Now you can back your data up to your SD card or USB storage device and restore through the external storage card or the USB device that you backed up your device to. And let's say you decide to buy another tablet, you can pretty much take that SD card with the backup from this, plug it into your new tablet, and pretty much draw all the old data off of that SD card and pretty much have your new tablet set up and ready to go. Now, my next tip is, let me see here, you stay in the settings, go to advanced features, and right off the top go into labs, and I would recommend cutting on all of these tabs inside of the lab section, the multi-window for all apps, full screen and split screen view, show multi menus in full screen view, ping your favorite apps. You can auto rotate certain apps that wouldn't auto rotate. So yeah, that'd be a good thing to set up. Go into your advanced features labs and tick all of those and take advantage of all those nice features. And next thing, while you're here in advanced features, go into the S Pen, and what I would do is set up let me see here, the S Pen detects. I pretty much got a majority of them on, except for allow for multiple S Pens. But my favorite one out of this whole S Pen section is S Pen detects, where you can kind of hover over something and write on here and have it go into a certain setting section, which you know, to help you find something really quick. So that's one of the cool features I like with the S Pen, that S Pen detects, where you can write up into the settings menu right on your display. So that pretty much does it for all my favorite tips and tricks for the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. Again, feel free to use all these on your favorite Galaxy S8 Tab, 7, whatever tablet you have that's pretty much running the same look UI. Feel free to use these tips, and by all means, I hope you enjoy your tablet that much more. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And other than that, I catch everybody in my next video. I'm out.